Okay, it's time for maths again, and who's ready for some more number lines? Some number line fun. Let's have a look at our learning intention. Learning intention is solving addition problems using empty number lines. All right, to be successful, I can start from the highest number or the biggest number and then add the smallest number. Should make that biggest, I think. I can start from the biggest number, then add the smaller number. And to be successful, I can make my number line very neat. Put your hand up if you've been making your number line very neat. It's very important, just so we don't get confused. All right, so adding two numbers together, the kangaroo is going to start hopping very soon. This is what I did earlier. I wanted to work out what 11 plus 8 was. Now, I can use my counting on strategy, but we're practicing using number lines. So this week, I really want to see that you can work out addition using the number lines. So this is what I did. I started at the biggest number. I looked for the biggest one out of 8 and 11. Which number is bigger? 11 is bigger. So I've started at 11, and then I've hopped 8 times to get to my answer. So watch the kangaroo hop. Hops 1, plus 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 1. Gets me to 19. 19 is my answer. So I just need to make sure that I've got 8 ones here. If I'm adding 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 ones there, so I've added 8 ones, which is what the equation is asking me to do. 11 plus 8 equals 19. I can do that with my counting on too. So I say 11 and count on 8. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There's 8 fingers. So 11 plus 8 equals 19. I've just shown you that in 2 ways now. All right, so it's very important to start from the biggest number, add on the smaller number. All right, I'm going to show you how to do another one on the whiteboard before you go and practice some more. It's time to work out what 6 plus 11 equals. So I'm going to put that into a little story first. I've got 6 mangoes, and Mrs. Luff has 11 mangoes. How many mangoes do we have altogether? How many mangoes do we have in total? That's what addition is. We're adding. I'm going to use my number line to help me work this out. So I'm going to choose the biggest number here. So the biggest number here is 11. So I'm going to write 11 down here. And I'm going to start hopping 6 times. I need to hop 6 times to get my answer. All right, so I'm going to go 11. There's 1 hop. 2, 3. I'm keeping it nice and neat. 4, 5, and there's my 6th hop. See how I'm counting, and I'm using my voice to make sure that I'm not making mistakes. I've made 6 hops. All right, we're adding 1 each time. So adding 6 ones. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Now I just need to add 1 at a time to my 11. So 11 plus 1, you know what that is. 11 plus 1 is 12. What's 12 plus 1? 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 plus 1, and I'm at the end of the track, is 17. So there is my answer. 6 plus 11 equals 17. Okay, so I want you to go to classwork, and there are 3 more equations that I want you to work through using your number line. If you want to show it in another way as well, you can, but I want to see that you can use a number line to add numbers together. Okay, if you're finding them a little bit too easy, maybe you can give yourself some slightly bigger numbers. Okay, so maybe you could do 17 plus 12. Okay, so go have a practice in your maths books. Don't forget to use a ruler and your neatest handwriting.